Kentico 12.net MVC Widgets and Forms. Kentico 12 version that is equipped with powerful MVC page builder to execute interactive campaigns that are much superior and more creative and personalized to the core. With the new release, marketers and developers can work around Kentico to create variants of the MVC widgets with the least of efforts and personalize the entire customer journey. For their valuable online visitors, the Kentico 12 applications will surely be exciting for marketers who could use it in a number of ways to frame and target more creative campaigns without the need to rely on developers or resources that are technically sound. Condition types. The number of widget variants can be many, but the nature and types of such variants are defined by condition types. Thus, the MVC-based web application development offers a range of choices for leveraging the most optimal combination of widgets. MVC widgets. An MVC widget is essentially personalized by leveraging most relevant Kentico 12 MVC projects. With the preferred choice of condition types, a widget can have many forms of personalization variants by virtue of the MVC page builder packaged with Kentico 12 release. Marketers can select from the widget based on certain display conditions for the website. The marketers have a wide choice of condition sets created by developers to choose from. A few of those validation conditions for widget variants can be based on day of the week, current date, as well as current time, date of form submission, number of days since the previous visit, specific page, exclusive forms. As with widget personalization, smart forms created by the MVC builder could well revolutionize how you collect data and connect with customers or prospects. With the Kentico 12 smart form options, one can set the precedence of fields and set the upcoming fields or columns only if the previous ones had been filled.